Hi mga idol, good morning. Update sa aming vlog for today mga idol. Magbabalot kami ng gift para sa birthday ni Abraham. Ito yung gift namin kay Abraham guys. Kasi gusto niya to. And this is also gift for Abraham. Bumili na kami ng scissors and gift wrapper.
Oh, this one's
Yung dinosaur yung gift wrapper namin guys.
Oh, wow. It's got
So,
a remote.
yung dinosaur.
It's got a remote control to it.
Really?
Yeah, from the looks of it. It must have batteries or something.
Oh? There's remote control in this one?
Yeah, look. So it shows you on the back
This
there.
one guys, ayan, yung gift ni Daddy Joe sa anak niya. Godzilla. I'm sure guys, Abraham will like this one. It's nice that. And then you can start wrapping.
Yeah, from the looks of this, yeah, I'd say it walks and everything.
Oh really? I thought it's only like that. There's some, this one.
I'd say so, yeah. It must take batteries.
Ito. This is already 5 meters and you got other one. See?
Make sure there's no price down there.
You pick up this price tag.
This is for an 8-year-old plus. Well, Abraham 6.
Wow, Abraham is only 6.
Yeah, he's smart enough to get it.
So, malapit na kasi yung birthday ni Abraham guys. This coming Friday. So, nagpunta kami nakaraan dun sa mall. Nakita mo niya to, Godzilla, at saka itong King Kong. Godzilla Kong. Nagustuhan niya guys. Gusto niyang kunin. So, sabi ng ama, sa birthday na lang niya natin ibilhin niya. How much is that? $19. And the Kong is almost the same. So, ayan guys. Wrap tayo. Wrap namin yung ating
The cargo's on that. Okay. Alright. The cargo has to be put on it.
You want to try or we will wrap this one?
No, we'll wrap it in the box like that. Or should I?
No, wrap this in the box. This is front, I think.
Yes. Unless you turn it upside down. Yeah, that's right.
Perfect. Get the scissor to cut. So what do you think? A little bit hard here?
Yeah, I'd say so. There you go. All you do is lift that bit of tape off there, and then it cuts off on there.
Yeah. How about this side? Is this okay?
Another one.
It's fine.
So ayan na mga idol, nag-umpisa na kami ni Habi na magbalot ng gift para sa birthday ni Abraham. At tumulong din si Habi, siya yung taga-abot ng tape.
More.
Yeah. More.
I love that one.
I'm sure mga idol matutuwa nito si Abraham kasi noong nakaraang linggo pa to niya gustong ipabili.
Another one?
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Look guys, done.
Put that under the bed for him.
So ito na.
He gets it on Friday. Lift up Cole's arm. Lift his arm up.
How?
Lift it. Just lift it. Lift it up.
Definitely.
No, lift it up. Look, watch. Watch it.
Oh, I like it. Wow, I like the comb. You like it?
Yeah. Push it. Pull his out. Push his arm up. All the way up.
Oh.
Just go up.
Ah, great. What? You don't know. Oh, wow, I like it. Your sound. I'm sure Abraham. Pretty sure Abraham likes this sound. Sit aside.
Now you're gonna have Kong and Godzilla.
Yeah, Godzilla. So ito namang
Kong.
Kong guys. So we're going to wrap this one. We'll wrap it. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, you know what you're doing.
Like that.
Yeah. Put it that way a little bit more. Wait.
Or is it? No.
Maybe a bit more. There. Because you want it to, oh no. You know, a little bit
Yeah, I
more.
told you.
A little more. I'll show you.
Oh, okay. Right here.
Yeah. No, no.
Come on. Put it here. Okay, you're right now.
So ayan na nga mga idol, malapit na kami matapos magbalot ni Habi ng mga gift para sa birthday ni Abraham. At sabi ni Habi, itago ko muna daw ito sa ilalim ng aming bed para hindi makita ni Abraham. Kasi baka bubuksan kung makita.
So, ayan na guys. Tapos na. Ayan. Ayan. How about this one? We're going to put that on.
Like I said, you're gonna wrap them or not?
No.
Why not?
Put on him for his birthday.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Just put your present under the bed.
Yeah. So now guys, we're going to present for him. So ayan na guys, ang mga regalo namin sa birthday ni Abraham. Sabi ng habi ko, ilagay ko daw dun sa ano. Galing kami sa mall. Bumili kami ng pangregalo nga kay Abraham. Gusto kasi ni Job mapasaya yung bata. Kahit pa paano. Kasi nagustuhan niya itong Godzilla guys. At saka itong King Kong. So yan lang guys for today. Ang kalat pa. At saka bumili din siya ng damit. Mura lang tong damit na to guys. Mura lang. Lagay ko muna ito sa kwarto. Kasi si Abraham nasa school pa. So, ayaw ni Jot makita niya ng gift. Kasi ngayon ay Webes pa lang ngayon. Ngayon ay Wednesday pa lang ngayon. So, Friday pa naman ang kanyang birthday. So, sabi ko, tago ko muna sa under the bed para hindi makita. So, itago ko muna guys yung gift ni Abraham. Ayan na nga yung mga regalo natin.
guys, malaki itong Godzilla na to, tsaka itong King Kong malaki. Malalaki yan. Ilagay ko pala dito guys para hindi magasgasan.